Welcome to Madam English YouTube channel. Let's read a user manual book. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Madam English YouTube channel. Thank you.
How to connect a cell phone to a laptop. First, ensure that both your cell phone and laptop are fully charged and turned on. Second, on your laptop, go to the Settings or Control panel and select the Bluetooth option. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. Third, on your cell phone, go to the Settings menu and select the Bluetooth option. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. Next, on your cell phone, tap on Pair New Device or similar option to make your phone discoverable by other Bluetooth devices. After that, on your laptop, look for the name of your cell phone in the list of available devices and select it. Sixth, a pairing request will appear on both your cell phone and laptop. Confirm the pairing request on both devices by selecting Pair or OK. Finally, once connected, you should be able to transfer files and data between your cell phone and laptop via Bluetooth. Note: the steps may vary depending on the specific model and operating system of your cell phone and laptop.
How to use a hair dryer. First, plug in the hair dryer to a power outlet and turn it on. Second, adjust the heat and fan speed settings to your desired level. Start with a lower heat setting to avoid damage to your hair. Third, comb or brush your hair to remove any tangles. After that, hold the hair dryer about 6 to 8 inches away from your head and use the concentrator nozzle attachment, if provided, to direct the heat to specific sections of your hair. Next, starting from the roots, work your way down to the tips of your hair, using your other hand to smooth and style your hair as you dry it. Sixth, once your hair is dry, turn off the hair dryer and unplug it. Last, if desired, you can use a round brush to create curls or volume while drying. Use a heat protectant spray to protect your hair from heat damage. Note: be careful not to point the hair dryer directly at your scalp or skin, as this can cause injury or burns.
How to use an electric oven. First, plug in the electrical oven to a power outlet and turn it on. Second, set the desired temperature by using the control panel or knobs on the oven. Refer to the recipe or instructions for the appropriate temperature setting. Third, place the food in the oven on a baking tray or dish. After that, set the timer or cooking time by using the control panel or knobs on the oven. Refer to the recipe or instructions for the appropriate cooking time. Next, once the timer goes off, use oven mitts or tongs to carefully remove the baking tray or dish from the oven. Finally, allow the food to cool for a few minutes before serving.
How to upgrade your iOS. First, ensure that your device has enough storage space to complete the upgrade. If not, remove any unnecessary files or apps to free up space. Second, connect your device to a power source and connect to a Wi-Fi network. Next, go to the Settings app on your device and select General. After that, select Software Update and wait for the device to check for any available updates. Last, if an update is available, tap on Download and install. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the upgrade.